Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready to pack your bags because today, we're taking a trip somewhere truly magical. Forget everything you know about ancient Egypt, because we're about to explore a version of Cairo made entirely of soft, squishy, and utterly adorable textures. We're going on an adventure to a fluffy 3D world, so let's hop on our little plane and fly over to a city of toy blocks and wonder. Welcome to the world of soft sands and squishy Sphinx, a fluffy 3D guide to Cairo. Our first stop is, of course, the legendary Great Pyramids of Giza. But these aren't your typical stone giants. Imagine pyramids crafted from the softest, velvet-textured sand, looking just like the most magnificent sandcastles you've ever dreamed of. And standing guard right beside them is the Sphinx, but not as you know it. This one is made of a warm, fuzzy felt, looking so cuddly you'll wish you could give it a big hug. Look over there. Bouncy little camels with big, sparkly eyes are trotting by, their humps like soft pillows. All of this is bathed in the warm glow of a beautiful peach and lavender sunset, painting the sky with colors that look like they're straight out of a candy store. It's a breathtaking sight, a perfect blend of history and pure, huggable charm. You can almost feel the gentle breeze and the softness of the sand beneath your feet. Next, we're diving headfirst into the vibrant heart of the city, the famous el-Khalili bazaar. Picture this: winding, narrow alleys that feel like you're walking through a maze of wonders. Instead of regular lamps, the streets are lit by glowing, jelly bean-like lanterns hanging overhead, casting a rainbow of colors on the pads below. Every shop is a treasure trove. The copperware has this exaggerated, shiny texture that gleams under the lantern light, and the silks look so incredibly soft and billowy, you'll want to wrap yourself in them. As we wander deeper, we meet a friendly shopkeeper, a delightful character with a big, warm smile. He's pouring us some traditional mint tea, but watch this: the steam rising from the cup isn't just steam, it's forming perfect, shimmering spheres that float up into the air before gently popping. It's these little details that make this world so enchanting. Every corner you turn reveals something new and whimsical, a feast for the eyes and the imagination. Alright, all this exploring has made me hungry. It's time for a fluffy food tour, and we're starting with Egypt's most beloved dish, koshary. But in our fluffy world, this isn't just any koshary. The bowl is filled with plump, bouncy pasta, rice, and lentils that wiggle just a little when you touch them. On top, there's a generous serving of tomato sauce that isn't just red, it's a shiny, ruby red jewel, glistening like a precious gem, and the crispy onions sprinkled over it. They look like tiny, golden brown stars. Each spoonful is a delightful mix of textures and flavors, a truly comforting and satisfying meal that's as fun to look at as it is to eat. It's the kind of food that makes you feel warm and happy inside, the perfect fuel for our whimsical adventure through Cairo. I could honestly eat this all day. It's the ultimate comfort food, reimagined in the most delightful way possible. As our day in this magical city comes to an end, we get to witness one last incredible sight. We're looking out over a wide shot of the entire city of Cairo, now sleeping peacefully. Above it all hangs a massive, glowing moon, casting a soft, gentle light over the velvet pyramids and the jelly bean-lit alleys. The whole scene is wrapped in a dreamy, soft focus haze, making everything look even more magical. Now, let's take a moment to look back at our journey. We saw the majestic, sandcastle-like pyramids, the cuddly felt Sphinx, and those adorable, bouncy camels with their sparkly eyes. We wandered through the colorful, vibrant alleys of el-Khalili, with its glowing lanterns and friendly faces. And of course, we enjoyed that delicious, plump koshary with its jewel-like sauce. This fluffy, squishy version of Cairo is a place where history meets imagination, where every sight is a delight and every moment feels like a warm hug. It's a reminder that there's magic and wonder to be found everywhere if you just know how to look. What an incredible journey that was! Exploring a city reimagined with such soft and delightful textures really brings a whole new level of joy and wonder to travel. It's amazing how a little bit of creativity can transform the familiar into something completely new and enchanting. I hope you enjoyed our fluffy 3D adventure to Cairo as much as I did. It's a place I'll definitely be dreaming about for a long time. What other cities would you like to see get a fluffy 3D makeover? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas, and who knows, your suggestion might just be our next destination. Thank you so much for joining me today on this whimsical trip. If you had fun, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye.